Trae AI versus Cursor. Which one should developers use? Here's a detailed comparison and recommendation between Trae AI and Cursor AI. Let's start with Trae AI. Core functionality. An AI-powered integrated development environment, IDE, developed by ByteDance. It offers two main modes: Builder, which generates code, files, and folder structures from natural language descriptions, and Chat, for real-time code analysis, suggestions, and completions. Integration. A standalone IDE, not an extension for an existing editor like VS Code initially, though VS Code configuration import is supported. Windows support was added in 2025, initially macOS only. Code understanding. Aims for context-aware code suggestions by analyzing the entire workspace, including files and terminal interactions. Task automation. Focuses on streamlining development through code generation and intelligent assistance. The Builder mode is a unique approach to automated project bootstrapping. The key features: code generation from natural language, Builder mode; real-time code analysis and suggestions, Chat mode; integration with advanced AI models like Claude 3.5 and potentially GPT 4o; multimodal input, including image-to-code conversion; automatic environment setup for projects; real-time web previews; Chinese interface support. The pros: free to use, lightweight and minimal interface, potentially quick for bootstrapping projects; innovative image-to-code feature. Chinese interface makes it suitable for Chinese developers. The cons: newer and potentially less stable/feature-rich compared to Cursor. Ecosystem support might be smaller. Some user reviews mention potential data privacy concerns related to its terms of service. Early reviews suggest it might not be as intelligent or advanced as Cursor in code completion and context understanding in complex scenarios. The final one: Cursor AI. Core functionality. An AI-powered code editor built as a fork of Visual Studio Code. It deeply integrates AI capabilities throughout the development workflow. Integration. A standalone IDE, but built on the familiar VS Code foundation, ensuring a low switching cost for VS Code users and compatibility with its extensions. Code understanding. Possesses a strong understanding of the entire codebase, enabling more intelligent and context-aware suggestions, multi-file refactoring, and project-wide analysis. Task automation. Offers features like agent mode for more complex end-to-end task completion, including multi-file edits and error fixing. The key features: powerful multi-line code completion, Copilot++. IntelliJ Chat with deep codebase awareness at codebase, at file, at symbol. Inline code generation, Control/CMD plus K. Agent mode for complex task automation. Codebase answers for project-wide queries. Web search, documentation referencing, and bug-finding integrations. AI commit messages. Support for custom AI rules and models. The pros: deep and seamless AI integration within a familiar VS Code environment. Strong understanding of the entire project context. Advanced code completion and refactoring capabilities. More mature and stable with a larger community due to its VS Codebase. The cons: pro features require a paid subscription. Some users report the interface can become cluttered with AI-related features. Agent mode might require precise instructions to avoid unintended changes. Key differences summarized. Which one to choose? Choose Trae AI if you prioritize a free, lightweight AI-powered IDE, are interested in its innovative Builder mode and image-to-code features, or need strong Chinese interface support. Be mindful of its potential limitations as a newer product. Choose Cursor AI if you value a deeply integrated AI experience within a familiar VS Code environment, need strong project-wide understanding for complex tasks and refactoring, and are willing to pay for the pro features. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your individual needs, project complexity, and willingness to adopt a new IDE. Trying both, if feasible, would be the most effective way to determine which better suits your workflow. So which of these are you willing to use right now? Drop a comment and let me know. And if this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone. Catch you in the next one.